What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have here a package from NBR Motorsport. They sent this out to us, and I'm gonna open this up and show you what it is. It is for the 22WX, by the way. So let's check it out. I've been talking to them for about a week now. So they sent me something really sick. Let me just show you guys what it is. Oh shit, my bad. Wow, very nicely packaged. Let's see what's in here. Some decals, super sick, and here it is. Nice. So this is the carbon fiber fuse box cover. It should go directly over the original cover. So let's get this mounted real quick. Looks like it's pretty easy. To be a close up to you guys. So there's some 3M double-sided tape, and look at this weave right here. It look like a 1x1 weave. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? I'm not really sure on my carbon fiber, but it looks really nice. The mold looks really good. Very lightweight, very shiny. This is our first, I guess, considered engine mod, but not really engine mod, but you know, shout out to them. I'm gonna get this on right now, so let's see how it looks. Alright guys, as you guys know, we haven't installed any of the engine mods yet, but we're waiting for them right now. We got the bypass out here, exhaust, and then we also have a short shifter as well. But anyways, back on topic, here's the carbon fiber cover. I'm gonna leave it right here for now. So it's a direct replacement over this, so you don't need to take the factory one off. So I'm gonna get this a little cleaned up right now because it looks a little dirty, and then I'm gonna wipe it down before I apply the new one on. For those you know, I always use a quick detailer for a lot of my interior and exterior. Not the interior, but mainly any of the plastic parts. You do a really good job. The price, you can't go wrong with that. Alright guys, so as you can see here, it looks like it goes straight over like this. Pretty snug fit. Very solid. Looks really good. My first carbon fiber part on this car. So very awesome. Let me pull this back out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the 3M double-sided tape off. By the way, limited edition, not for sale yet. So shout out to these guys. We're doing this test fit right now, but as you can see already, it fits awesome. No modifications, no drilling, and that good stuff. I got everything off right now. Looks really good. I'm just gonna slide this right over this, and it should be pretty straightforward. Alright guys, so that's it. Here it is. You know, as you can see, all the cutout spots for the factory tabs to remove the cover is here. So you're good to go. So you can pop this off whenever you need and it won't affect anything else. So check that out. Yep, super easy install. I rate this a 10 out of 10. Literally took me, like, as you can see, like a minute, not even a minute. So yeah, here it is. Very nice little addition to the engine bay, you know. Let me get a little far back shots. Shout out to NBR Motorsports. If you're interested, make sure to hit them up. They're really good customer service, super nice people. Check it out. I love it. This is a nice addition to what we're gonna have a lot more coming soon on the engine bay. So also I'm gonna put on their decal right now, and I like how they sent me a white one because, you know, can't go wrong right under the ISC suspension. I'm gonna put this on real quick, guys. 1 sec. Alright guys, so that concludes our short little install today. I really love this carbon. Now I want to get more carbon on the car. But yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in next week's episode.